Through late evening yesterday for National Capital and NCR, it was heavy rainfall and that went on for several hours. And that has led to literally parts of Delhi drowning. And once again, if you're a Delhi resident, I must give you the information that schools have been shut in Delhi due to the aftermath of the constant rainfall, which has led to waterlogged streets and traffic snarls. And a lot of inconvenience that people have had to face as well. The NCR literally, which means Delhi and nearby cities like Noida, Gurugram, have also gone under in several areas, specifically the intersection points. In fact, in Delhi, I'm informed that 3 buildings even collapsed after the deluge. You're looking at the aftermath coming in from Daryaganj and other areas, whether it is these underpass, subways, other locations, where the building also collapsed. Look at the traffic snarls because the sides completely waterlogged. And this happened while most people were returning from office to their home. This happened about 6 p.m. when it started and went on till about 8 to 9 p.m. And then late night also there was rainfall again. So let's go to our colleagues on the ground. As always, whether it's a heat wave or it's rainfall, India Today is on the ground to bring the viewer up to speed every morning. Ashutosh Mishra this time is joining me from Nizamuddin, if I'm correct. Ashutosh, on your way to work as well, what did you see? What kind of roads, what kind of arrangements? And I'm pretty sure it's Delhi, so it's going to be political showdown too. What is your information? What did you see around? Okay, Ashutosh, I think he's not able to hear me. I'll go across to you. Ashutosh, if you can hear me.
Yeah, I know, I can.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Ashutosh.
Yes,
how was the morning like? What did you see around you?
I started from Noida and via this NH24, so clearly all these roads were clear because I believe after 2 or 3 o'clock, eventually there were no rain.
Okay.
However, still you see this thick cloud all over, and this, as for my department, this looks like a most active, the monsoon activity that is being seen across Delhi, NCR, Western Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Haryana. And clearly, when it all started downpouring, within 15 minutes, all the roads were literally inundated. In fact, in the gym where I was working out, the part of rooftop eventually collapsed. So that was so much storm and the rain. But this morning when I started throughout the Lieutenant Delhi, most of these stretches were totally cleared because the water was already clear from these stretches. However, still I see waterlogging in at the ITO area because that believes to be a low-lying area. So if you are traveling from ITO towards Lakshminagar, towards Noida, Ghaziabad, then be prepared because there eventually only one lane is active and other parts of the road is clearly inundated. So clearly one need to be very careful. However, if you're traveling from Noida, Ghaziabad towards Delhi, it's all clear. As we speak, since the order has been issued by the government, all private and government schools are closed today, looking at the prediction of the heavy monsoon and the red alert that has been issued in Delhi. But we need to be very careful since it's already alert issued. Until and unless it is very important, very essential to travel, stay at home, do not travel outside because eventually all I see, and if this continues and it similarly translates into the heavy downpour, then all you see exactly the images that we have seen last night. But again, all because we can clearly say that the drainage were not desilted, the cleaning were not taken place, all the agencies were totally reluctant. Despite the government orders, the officials were reluctant. No actions were taken. There wasn't any preparedness, and despite multiple orders, action taken, reports sought, the audit reports were sought, but the action were not taken. And even after what we have seen, the disaster in old Rajendra Nagar, still the action has not been taken. If we say, the arresting of one person who was driving or some junior official, that's not the case at all because still the larger culprits are the biggest officials who are directly responsible to follow the orders of the elected government, and since often there is such lapses, they are always protected. And as long as
definitely a lot's brewing because I understand there was also an unusual rainfall yesterday. It went on for hours, but you cannot have the country's capital start drowning in the manner parts of it has. There's been a lot of issues, whether it's about urban development, whether it's about desilting simply, and that is the question that Ashutosh also is talking about.